Hello students, I want to talk to you about slope-intercept form of a line. The slope-intercept is going to be an equation that says y equals mx plus b, where m is your slope and b is your y-intercept. Well, we learned on the last lesson that slope is your rise over your run. Intercept is if you intercept something, you run into it, okay? So B is going to be where that line runs into the y-axis on your coordinate grid. Okay, so let me show you how this works. So using the equation y equals mx plus b, let's say we have an equation. Okay, let's say we have y equals 2/3 x plus 2. That's fine. Okay, 2/3 is going to be our rise over our run. B, positive 2 is going to be our y-intercept. That's going to be where the B is. So m 2/3 is being substituted for m, and 2 here is being substituted for b. So if we are given this equation, and we can see that it is in slope-intercept form, we can pick which graph represents this equation. And we can plot it very easily also. Okay, so here's our coordinate grid, okay? In order to plot y equals 2/3 x plus 2, first thing we're going to do is look at our y-intercept. Our y-intercept is 2. That means that our line of this equation is going to cross this y-axis right here at the 2 on the y-axis. So that's 2 is our y-intercept. Okay, now we know that our slope is 2/3. That means it's going to go, and it's positive 2/3. So we'll go up 2 over 3, up 2 over 3. So I'm going right here where I have this y-intercept, and I'm going to go up 2, 1, 2, and over 3, 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to put myself a point. Now I'm going to go up 2, 1, 2, and over 3, 1, 2, 3, put myself another point. Oh, look at there. I have just plotted that linear equation. This is the graph of this equation. So you could pick the equation by first looking to see, okay, well, what is my y-intercept? It's a positive 2. Positive 2 on the y-axis. What is my slope? 2 over 3. Up 2 over 3. 1, 2, 3. Up 2 over 3. Up 2 over 3. So this is the line of that equation. Let's do one more. Let's see. Okay, let's say we have y equals 1/3 x minus 3. Okay, so here's our coordinate grid. We can see that that negative 3 is going to be our y-intercept. So on my grid, I find negative 3 on my y vertical axis, and I'll put me a big point on that -3 right there. Okay, my slope is 1/3, rise of 1, up 1 because it's positive, over my rise is 1, my run is 3. So from this point here, from my y-intercept, I will go up 1 over 3, 1, 2, 3, and put a point. Up 1 over 3, 1, 2, 3, put a point. And this is the line of this linear equation right here. Y equals 1/3 x minus 3. Okay, you say, well, what if I have a negative slope? That's okay, we can do that also. Let's do one more with a negative slope. Okay, let's say we have y equals -3 over 4x plus 4. Okay, our y-intercept is plus 4. So where I find on my y-axis, I'll put a big red dot right there on that positive 4. Now, to find my slope, I have a -3 for my rise and a 4 for my run. So it's a negative slope, so I'm going down 3, 1, 2, 3, and a run of 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and put my point. Down 3, 1, 2, 3, over 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and put my point. Okay, this is the graph of this linear equation. So those are actually very easy to do. It's just a matter of putting your, being sure that you have your equation in slope-intercept form. Okay, before I'm going to show you if you have an equation that is not in slope-intercept form. Okay, so this is slope-intercept form. Within M is your slope, B is your y-intercept. What if I'm given this equation? Y plus 1/3 x equals 4. Okay, that is not slope-intercept form because y has to be on one side of the equal sign by itself. Therefore, I want to move this 1/3 x to the other side. How do I do it? Got to get rid of it here, right? Negative 1/3 x. Positive 1/3 x minus 1/3 x, it's out of there. But if I do something on one side of the equal sign, I must do the same thing on the other side. So I go to the other side of the equal sign and subtract 1/3 x. Okay, there are no like terms over here, are there? So I just have to put negative 1/3 x, and then I have plus 4. Aha! We are now in slope-intercept form with negative 1 over 3 is my slope, and 4 is my y-intercept. Okay, I'll be back with another video regarding slope-intercept.